everybody, this is Tesla, Michael Brenner for Drop Top Keys. Our last video we showed you how to install the turn signals, and today I want to do a real quick video to show you another light modification that's very easy to make and can change the way your car looks, especially on the inside. So we have Tim operating the car today, Ben operating the camera, and me doing my best not to misoperate my token. We're going to be doing a little mod. Again, you can buy these from Amazon. They're under $20, I believe, and it takes about 10 minutes to do the total job. And I can't show you right now, but after I get done showing you how to install them, we'll move it into the garage where it's dark, and I'll show you what it looks like when you're done. So, Ben, move down here. I know a little bit ago somebody said they didn't have a light in the trunk. Yes, you do. It's right over here. And the reason you may not think it's there is because there's a switch to turn it on off. Oh, wait a second, this is blue. Wow, that's what this change is about. We're changing our lights from white. We're putting in LED lights, and on Amazon, from this site that I'll give you the link for, you can get blue, green, pink, purple, red, and I think white. If you just want to change from a normal bulb, which looks like this, has the little filament in it, I don't know if you can see it, and you can change to LED, which are a little bit brighter, and it changes the mood of the interior of your car. We're going to do it back here, and we're going to do it on the interior cabin light up above the rearview mirror. So all we need to do for this is a small flathead screwdriver. Put the camera down here to where you can see. You want to do this with the light off, don't do it with the light on. You just take a small screwdriver, pop this out, and you can see right here is what we replaced it with. Okay, it just pops in and out. And let me show you this up close, because there's two sides to this. You can see that's flat, that has the LEDs on it. You want this side pointed toward the plastic. If you put it in like this, it's not going to produce very much light, and you're going to say, well, that's not very bright. I thought it'd be brighter than that. Make sure the LEDs are pointed out. The other thing is they caution about LEDs, you can't put them in either way and have them work. And there's no way to look at it and say, well, this should go up and this should go down. If you install it and it doesn't turn on, simply take it out, flip it the other way, and then it'll work. It has to be in the right direction or it will not light up. So all you do is you slide the pointy thing down into that slot and press down. Voila. Now before you put it back in, just turn it on. Does it work? Hey, that didn't work.
It's on, it's on.
It is on? That's on?
That's on.
Okay. So I have to flip it upside down.
I was saying like the switch was in the on position.
What's that? Ta-da! And then you just rotate this to where it's pointed parallel. You know, you can put it at an angle. You can actually change how much light comes out by rotating this a little bit, but I want it to where I get max light. And then you just slide the bottom in, press the top in, and it's good. Now whenever you open the trunk, we have blue light. Even if you don't care what color the trunk is, you may care about what color your cabin is. Tim, can you get out, please? You can turn off the car. There we go. So again, we want to turn it off. And you just take this screwdriver, pop it out. You can see there's these four little hooks that you have to unfasten and show up in there. You can see where the light is. Is that close enough? Too close, or?
I can't exactly get it in. There we go.
Well, move your camera like this.
Oh, well.
All you do is pop that out, put it back in, make sure that the LEDs are pointed down and not toward the ceiling, or else you won't get much light. And then you pop it in. If it doesn't light, you simply reverse it 180 degrees and it'll light. Now, in order to see how cool this looks at night, let me pull the car up into the garage where it's dark, and we'll close the door so it's nice and dark, and we'll take a couple shots of both the interior and the trunk so you can see what it looks like when it's darker out. Ben, Tim, can you close the garage once we get inside? So now I'm just the mysterious voice from the dark. When I open the door, like say you're getting in your car at night, there you go. You can see how it makes the interior of the car look. And again, you can get this blue, green, pink, purple, and I believe red, and also white if you just want to trade out from the normal bulb, which has a filament that can burn out, to the LED, which is much longer lasting. Now, back up, Ben, and we'll go open up the trunk. And there is the trunk. Now move over here, because that's going to be real bright when you shine that right at it. It'll kind of glare.
It will pick it up, Ben.
It did. So I can see how some of you may say, well, the trunk's too dark. I like the interior cabin, but I don't really want to do the trunk. Hey, that's fine. You can modify that as you wish. And then the other thing is the kit also comes, no matter what color you buy. Go ahead and turn on the light again, or just open the garage door. No matter what color kit you buy, you will also get lights for your license plate. And just be aware that no matter what color you buy, the license plate lights will always be white LEDs. Because in a lot of places, by law, you can't alter the color of the lights on your license plate holder. It's supposed to be white. And so they don't ship you different colors for that. And the reason you'd want to do that again is because it's not a filament-based light, it's LED, so you don't have to, if you plan on having the car for a long time, it's not going to burn out anywhere near as often, so you won't ever have to change it again. And it provides a little bit of that more brighter white light. People will look at it and know it's LED. So, I personally like the blue in the trunk and on the interior of the car. Again, totally your choice. You saw, it takes probably together, if you have a flathead screwdriver, 5 minutes to do. And the only conditions are, if it doesn't light, take it out, flip it around 180 degrees, and then it'll work. And the other thing is, you saw how on those LEDs are pointed one way. You want to make sure the LEDs are pointed out, so it projects the light out. It'll still work if you have it backwards, except all the light's going to go to the inside of your trunk or up towards the top of the car, so it won't be bright enough to make it worthwhile doing. So there you go, easy mod. And again, I know it's under $20. I can't remember how much it was. I think it may have been even like $12 or $13 plus shipping off Amazon. And I will put a link up in the description of this video so that anybody will be able to just click on it and go to it if you want to get it for yourselves.